Hello again YouTube, it's Connor from John Cleese Car Audio here. We have a Mitsubishi Outlander with us today, 2016. The factory head unit's gone faulty. Mitsubishi wanted not one, not two, but roughly £3,000 to replace it. Now that's unacceptable, I think, for a car of this year value, so they came into us for a solution. And I'm going to show you what the solution is today. Taking it out and put the Kenwood DMX 8021 model in. Let's give it some juice, turn it on. This is one of the higher end models that Kenwood do, sporting a very responsive capacitive touchscreen. We've got wireless Apple CarPlay, wireless Android Auto. Now this car's got a few options that we wanted to retain on it. For example, the steering wheel controls all work, including the phone buttons. But the most important thing is this car's got 4 cameras for reversing, a 360-degree bird's eye view camera system, which obviously they want to retain. Now, if I put it in reverse, you're going to get the 360-degree camera on the left come up, and you're also going to get the reverse camera on the right. Moving guidelines as well. As you can see, when I turn the steering wheel, you actually get the lines move on the screen as factory. Now, if I put it in park, what's really useful is they also have a button on the steering wheel for the front camera. So I push that. And now the customer gets the camera from the front, and also they get the actual, what they call the bird's eye view as well. And I think if you push that button again, yep, you push it through and it cycles to actually the front left wheel, so very handy to make sure you don't meet the Curvosaurus when you're driving. Now that is pretty much it. What else is there? Well, the Kenwood can support HDMI in if you want to add a Amazon Fire Stick or any kind of Chromecast to it. It also comes with a USB lead, which we've routed into the glove box here, handy for charging phones, and it's USB-C, so it's fast charging. Yeah, that's about it today. But John Cleese Car Audio signing off. Subscribe to our channel, like our videos, comment, let us know what you want to see. But for now, that's Connor from John Cleese signing off.